Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 108 of Building the Back to the Future Delorean. This is a repeat issue, or not really a repeat issue. The flip side, we're doing this bit because we did the other bit, the other side last time. We're going to do this bit this time in exactly the same way. So, yeah, I'll try and show you some of it in film, but not much of it because it's difficult to film these bits. And my eyes are not doing well at the moment, so I have to get in very close, and that just means I'm filming the back of my head all the time. So we'll do that the same again. I shall show you what I can and show you it finished. And then we'll look at Rick Carter. Apparently that's it. Next time, oh, interesting stuff. The time-filled generator, something new and improved. I don't know exactly what that is. I think it's working on the back area. I think that's the only bit left to do, really. So, yeah, I'm sure that's what we're going to have to happen next time. So, yeah, let's have a look. They've forgotten to put the silhouette on there for this time. But you know what I'm doing. Same as last time. I'll see you for that in just a sec. I didn't really give you a good look at the parts last time, so let's do that this time, seeing as I'm not going to be showing you much of the build. We've got the 4 pieces of the plastic frame, which go... Where have we got that one? And that one's the top one, I think, because it's got the curviest bit. And that's got the ends that go into the thing. So that goes on there, and then I'm doing it the wrong way around now. This is going from the other side. So that's going on there. Then that one connects up to there. Then we've got another bit that goes even further down. And then that bit goes underneath. And then connects up to the other end. So that's the overall shape of it. Held together better when there's actually screws holding it together as well. The pins don't actually hold it, they just locate it. So yeah, that's the overall shape of that. And then we've got the 5 metal photo etch type things that cover over. Obviously the shaped pointy ends go into the emitters, top and bottom, middle bit and corners. So yeah, I'll get a couple of these put on and then I'll show you the rest of it. So there you go, that's half of it installed. Now it's nice and easy with these because you only got 2 types of screws. You have AP screws which go through all of it into the bracket like here, and you've got the IP screws which go basically everywhere else where there isn't a bracket, but it will be holding sometimes to the panels together, sometimes not. That one just needs a little bit of snapping down and then get in couple of screws. Bit like that. And then this piece obviously needs to go underneath there like that, with the last couple of bits of photo etch type thing around it. So yeah, once I get that all in place, I'll show you finally what it looks like. I'll even see about turning it on. Don't be too impressed when I turn it on because it's not as good as you think it might be. But we'll see. Anyway, it'll look all right. It'll be fine. I'll see you for that in just a sec. And there we are. As expected, the backlights are not working very well at all. You can just about see some glow at the start. Well, you can't even see that one from underneath, and at the top here, but it doesn't reach the middle by any stretch. I didn't think it would, but I was hoping. Yeah, the lights are not going to be the main feature of the build for me. I'll very rarely turn them on anyway. So, yeah, you can tell when they're on, but it's not the same. Other lights are all going to work okay, but you can just about see all the inside ones coming on there. But, yeah, it does the job, but not quite. The EL upgrade would be worth doing. I'm still considering it. I don't know yet. But that's that. All attached, all done up, all nice and finished. That's basically the exterior bodywork done, as far as I can tell. I think it's just the rear bay to do. So, yeah, I shall get to that very, very shortly. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now. There we go.